My name is Nick Galden. I am a service technician here who mainly focuses in BMW related things. This job is extremely different in the fact that all the people here are genuinely good people. I don't think I've ever worked in an environment where I've never had someone that I didn't like, whereas here I feel like everyone I'm happy to see. There's no one that I bump into and I feel like I can't say something to them or they aren't approachable. So it's definitely what I like. The sort of person that would like working at Team One is someone who is goal-oriented, goal-driven, hard-working for sure, but also isn't afraid of having a good time. I don't know if this sounds bad, but someone that wouldn't want to work at Team One is probably someone who's a bit older, to be completely honest. It's kind of a young crew here mostly. Not saying that, you can't be older and work here, but it's definitely, it plays in your favor for sure. You gotta use your muscles a lot. You gotta work hard, and you definitely gotta be in shape. My favorite thing about working at Team One has to be having the weekends off. I can't even lie. Most jobs that I've worked, especially in the automotive field, always working a Saturday, and sometimes you get another day off, sometimes you're working 6 days a week. Here, it's always Saturday and Sunday off. If you're thinking about applying, know what you want out of this job. I feel like a lot of people in this field don't always have the most great idea of what they want to do in here, and you can come in, set a bunch of goals, and you can usually achieve them here. They help you push for a lot of your own personal goals alongside goals that they set for you.